Hellcat.
What's going on, guys? American Tech here with you. So today we have a 2013 Ford Escape with a radio problem. So if you watch up here on the radio, I'm going to go ahead and push the power button. And that is all it does. So it has no radio operation. Nothing. And then also none of these buttons will work either. Just your menu button works. So with this problem, you actually need the head unit module for this radio, which is behind this dash right here. So I'll show you guys how to take that out real fast. Alright guys, so in order to take the center of this dash apart, you need to pop up the shifter selection indicator, and underneath of it you are going to see these T25 Torx right here and right here, right in there. You're going to want to remove those, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now after you remove that, you're going to want to just pull that, just like that, and then just kind of work around until that piece comes off. Be careful not to snap the bezel or anything. Now you're going to want to turn the key on. You want to drop this down in the sport mode. Make sure you have this up. Let me go ahead and put this down. You're going to want to tuck your indicator in there and then put this somewhere where it cannot get scratched up. So I'm going to put it right in the back seat. Now you have the T30s right here and right here that you need to take this piece out. So let's go ahead and take those out. Make sure you put your bolts somewhere where you're not going to lose them. And then this piece will just slide out. Should. Alright. Now you're going to want to disconnect these connectors in the back here. Alright guys, so after you have removed the AC selector switches and your center bezel around your shifter indicator, you need to come up here at the top, and underneath of your cover you're going to find two 7mm bolts. Go ahead and remove these, and then this whole top piece will come out. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and remove the 7mm bolts. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, make sure you put those where you won't lose them. and then you're going to grab your... Okay, so after you take out those 7mm bolts, come up here to your display bezel, and you're going to want to gently pry up on that, and then make sure you set that to the side. And now you have access to your display. There should be a T25 bolt here and a T25 bolt here on the other side. So go ahead and take those out. And then don't forget that these are the smaller bolts, so smaller little screws there. So make sure you put those in a separate pile. Don't get them mixed up. And then, so after you have all that removed, you need to just pull up. And then your display comes out. And then you keep on working around. And all you gotta do is pull that up. You don't have to take it all the way off. Just pull this top bezel up. So now you have two 7mm again, one right here and one over here. Go ahead and remove those. So after you get done removing those, you can go ahead and take the center bezel, the actual radio, and just kind of work it up. You might have to use your trim tool here. Kind of get underneath it there. And then just take this, disconnect the electrical connector, and you are to the part that needs to be replaced, which is this unit right here. So go ahead and take out this 7mm screw right here and this 7mm screw right here, and then this piece will actually slide out, disconnect it, replace your new piece. You're good to go. So I appreciate you guys watching the video. We're actually not replacing this piece right now because the customer wants to wait a little bit, but that is what you need to do in order to fix that radio problem. So again, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until then, I'll see you in the next one.